This video shows how to buy shares of Cellavision AB, listed as CEVI.ST on CBOE EU, and provides a brief overview of the company that makes automated blood cell imaging systems for clinical laboratories. This is educational material, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a neutral example to illustrate the steps, and after registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CEVI.ST to find the correct listing, then confirm the exchange shows CBOE EU to ensure you have the right Cellavision AB stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information, an interactive price chart, and trading details. Double-check the company description and ticker to confirm this is the Cellavision AB listing you intend to buy. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. And for convenience, the example eToro link is available in the description below.